Alloo Gosht Shorba is a household name in Pakistan. Let's see how to make it using an instant pot.
Hello everyone. The things we need are 1 pound goat meat, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 2 small potatoes cut like this, 3 tablespoon oil, 4 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, half teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, green chilies 1 medium, 1 medium onion finely chopped, and 1 medium tomato chopped like this. We will start cooking. Start the pot, instant pot, on saute mode. The saute mode is on maximum heat. Add oil. Add onions. Fry the onion until it gets golden brown. It will take almost 4 to 5 minutes. Now onions are golden brown. I will add my ginger garlic paste and cook it for next 1 or 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will add tomatoes. At this point, I will add red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and all these whole masalas, spices. Now I will add meat. And add yogurt. I will cook it for next 1 minute like this. After 1 minute, I will add cumin seeds. After cooking it almost 5 minutes like this, I will add 1.5 cup of water and cover the lid. I will start my pressure now. Set the handle to the sealing mode. Start pressure cook on high temperature for 15 minutes. As 15-minute pressure is done, now I will open the handle to release the steam. Pressure is released. I will open the lid now. Start saute mode on high heat. I will add my potatoes at this point. After 10 minutes, I will add green chilies. And check your potatoes. If they are done, then your gravy is ready, but my potatoes are not done, so I will wait for next 5 minutes. Now the gravy is ready and potatoes are also done. You can adjust the consistency of the gravy at this stage. If you like more, you can add more water. At this stage, I will add garam masala and dish out my gravy.